delivery from Amazon. There you go. We'll do unboxing it later. Guys, Belinda again. So ngayon, mag-unboxing ako from Amazon. So nag-order ako ng 3 items dito. And let's see. Yan. Let's see, 1, 2. Yung mga basura. So, nag-order ako ng yung tin muffin para gagawa ako ng puto bigas. So, ito siya. Ang dami. So, then I have this neck pillow for the car. So, let's see what's inside. Here. You have to put it in the car like that. And then you can rest your neck here. Like that. Ang price nitong lahat, guys, is $60. And I have another one. It's the bathroom organizer. So let's open. There you go. So this one is a bathroom organizer. Here is a drawer, and this one. Amazon neck pillow, the muffin tin liners. Kasi gagawa ako ng puto bigas, and then yung bathroom organizer. Okay, did you put the red?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll try to put it in the car, the neck pillow. So you just do like this. Side of your car seat here. And then we'll do the other one. Okay. This is there. Yeah, that helps you.
I'm not sure that shouldn't be up higher, but who knows? It's adjustable, show them.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I'll try to sit down. There.
Oh,
It
yeah,
helps.
that's pretty good,
Yeah,
huh?
it helps. Hi, guys. It's pink.
It sure is.
The pink colors. And I'll... So, can you see, guys, ang gulo ng sink namin. So, kaya bumili ako ng organizer. So, i-arrange natin lahat. So, guys, look at that now. It's organized. Bathroom organizer. I think this is $34. Now it's all organized, clean, neat, no messy. And here's my OOTD. There's the bathroom. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.